Hello and welcome to day 42 of the coding process. In today's video, I plan on adding patrolling so that this enemy right here on the screen will be able to patrol wherever I set its patrol to. And if this would load, I would be able to show. I'm going to have it go from here to here. I'm also hopefully going to make it to where I can walk through these enemies. At the moment that this doesn't really work very well. And I'm also going to make all the enemies on these ones also be able to patrol. And I might add a death screen. I'm not entirely sure yet. I haven't fully decided on what I was gonna do today. Ooh, I barely made that. Yeah. Alright, cool. So, before we actually add patrolling, we are going to want to do one thing that I should have been doing this entire time. Export the package. Export it. Uh, Back in Flash. Create a new folder. New folder. Call it backups. Enter again to go inside of it. And then name this one. I don't know. Game. Because it doesn't have a name yet. Game. Dot. Underscore. B 0.1. It's version 0.1. Version. There we go. Bam. All right. So we're. I actually might be able to solve the problem of him, like, not having collision or having collision. One thing. It needs the rigid body. I can't get rid of that. The box collider. Would a mesh collider? Jeez. Mesh. I don't know if a mesh collider box. I don't know what you're talking about. Mesh collider. I removed it. Do I really need to do this to all the prefabs to freaking... God dang it. I didn't want to. Alright. Fab. Component. Add a mesh collider. Rigid body 2D. Oh, I can't because of the rigid body. Oh. That back. I didn't read it. Well, it needs the rigid body, so I guess I'll figure that out some other time. But, yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to add the patrol, so. Alrighty, so I have it to where he should be patrolling between right here and here. We go ahead and play it. Super should move. Oh, yep, very slowly. Let's make sure he bounces back. Okay. So this isn't supposed to happen, but this is kind of funny. I like bump him up these stairs. No. He's dead. Okay, well, I'm not done. I'll be back. Pause it. Alrighty, I am back, and the code is working, but I would like to just show you right here I was so confused on why these parts right here are not working. And then I realized I put two equal signs on each of those for some reason, and it didn't work. So now if I go ahead and click this, he should go back and forth. Very, very slowly. I'm actually just gonna go ahead and increase the speed. Okay, I may have increased it too much, because then he just started going in the wrong way. Well, let's go ahead and set this to, whoops, set this to nothing, I guess. We'll just wait, see if it works. It didn't work. You know what? I might actually have to make him collide with, whoa. Might actually have to make him collide with point A and B, because I kind of put these, like, in the ground. If I raise them up, both to that, looks fine to me. And I'm gonna go ahead and set his speed to 2, just so he's just double as fast. And then we'll see if it works. Right? And it still doesn't work. I need to take these out of him. Is there anything I'm missing in the script? I've got point A and B. It's possible I wasn't supposed to put those in. I just kind of did because I wanted to. All right? No. Yeah. Um. Something's wrong. I'll be back. Alrighty. So I went ahead and got it to work. It was just a problem with the radius not being large enough to actually pick up him hitting it. But now he turns on both sides. Yeah. He currently does not flip his model around, so that's an issue. But yeah, if I push him down, what is he gonna do? Oh yeah, he can't go under that. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and make him actually flip around when he hits an edge, so I'll be right back. Alrighty. So I now drew a line here and here, and I figured out why he was just phasing through everything before, and it was because the center of him has to hit this little radius right here, which it was not hitting it before because I had it, all the way right here. But now I moved up, I drew a line in between it so I could see it, and now he also stopped clicking on. Now he also turns. Hooray! He can turn. He can turn around. No, it's so amazing. If I push him off, he keeps trying to go. I can actually help him back up. Yeah. So I don't really know what I'm supposed to add. Oh wait, I know what I'm supposed to add. I'll be right back. Alrighty. So I set it up. I'm gonna have it play maximized. Show you what I did. Now, this guy moves, obviously. Oh, I forgot. I have to kill him. And I have a guy over here. He also moves. Killed him before he could move, though. Or before you probably saw him move. Now, if we head over to all the other enemies that are sitting on the platforms. An enemy. And, oh no, an enemy. I got hit. What a terrible, unavoidable tragedy that was. Uh, Let's try and make it over this one. Oh yeah, get it from behind. Wah, wah, ha. That was the last enemy. Yeah, got it to where they all move now. This guy patrols right there. This guy patrols right there. I head all the way over here. These three guys patrol their areas. It's all working. All working good. Now I just need a death screen. 10 minutes long. I'm gonna add a death screen if I can figure out how. Otherwise, this is a short video. Back with something. Alrighty. I went ahead and added the death screen. It's not currently interactable because, well, there is no way to even. There's no level, so there's no point to have a play game button. But if I die, it says you die. I'm gonna go ahead and go full screen so we can see it better. Go ahead and go like this. Go ahead and just jump into this death pit. You die. All it says, just says you die, nothing else. All right. Cool. Should I try and mess around with the particle system? How does Unity's particle system even work? Effects. System. Plus death. This may or may not just be wasting time because I don't actually know how their particles works. What's show bounds? Oh, it shows the bounds of it. Okay, well, I don't want it to be this. Triggers, collision, blah, blah. I don't care about that stuff. Duration 5. No duration. I want it to be like instant. Start. Alright, just pause that. Looping? No. Play. Dang. No. Start delay, none. Start lifetime. I don't know what that means. Start speed, 1 bajillion. Play. Jeez. Go ahead and set that back to where it was. Body blah 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 blah. Simulate space, local, delta time, scale, shape. I want to edit the particle itself. Whoops. I want to edit it. Okay, maybe I don't. Maybe I don't know what any of that means. Okay, so I'm gonna try and figure this out. Give me a minute. Okay, so I am not gonna be adding a particle right now. It is more work than I feel like putting in at the moment. Mainly because then I have to learn the entire particle system, which I don't want to do. At the moment, at least. So I'm gonna end the video once I die. Oh, shit. Bye.